Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable the HDR feature for your computer system. If your system supports the HDR capabilities along with your display, then it is a great feature to turn on as it gives you a brighter and more vibrant colors while you are using your display. It is very helpful, especially while watching movies or playing any particular video game. So, if you want to enable HDR, you need to go to the settings. Now, once you are in the settings, you need to click on the system tab. Under the system, you can see the display option. In the display, you can see the use HDR option. You can turn it on directly by clicking on this toggle or hit the arrow button to access further options and settings. Now, here you can see other options like it will display the capabilities of your particular display that you are using. As in my display, it supports the HDR video streaming as well as it also uses HDR. Now, to turn on HDR, you need to simply click on this particular toggle. Once you do, it will take some time, and now the HDR capabilities have been implemented. You can compare them side by side in this particular video. You may also choose to increase or decrease the HDR content brightness. Although remember that the higher the brightness, it will affect the battery life. Now, there is also a feature of Auto HDR. If you want the HDR to automatically convert the SDR content to HDR, then you may also calibrate the HDR display. Also, there is another battery option that if you want the HDR to adapt to the battery life or if you want it to adapt to the image quality. Now, you have learned how to use and enable HDR for your system. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.